In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a problem buyer on Facebook Marketplace. It's not uncommon to encounter less than pleasant experiences when selling online, but the good news is that Facebook provides a way to handle these situations effectively. Knowing how to block a problematic buyer can certainly save you from ongoing frustrations and maintain a more enjoyable selling experience. First, you'll want to head over to Facebook. This might sound straightforward, but it's worth mentioning to ensure we all start on the right page. Open your preferred web browser and type in facebook.com, then log in using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now look towards the left side of the screen for a small marketplace icon shaped like a storefront and click on it. This will take you directly to Facebook Marketplace. When you're on the Marketplace page, your next move is to locate the inbox option, which is typically found in the side menu. The inbox is where all your communications related to buying and selling are housed, so it's crucial for managing your interactions. Click on Inbox to proceed. Once inside your inbox, you'll notice two tabs, Buying and Selling. For the purpose of blocking a buyer, you'll want to focus on the Buying tab. Clicking on Buying will help you find the interactions you've had when you were the buyer. Find the specific conversation with the problematic buyer. Once you've pinpointed the right chat, click on the seller's name. This action will typically lead you to their profile page where you can gather more information about them if needed. Now, at the top of their profile page, you'll notice a small profile picture icon. Click on that. Adjacent to this icon, you should see three small dots lined horizontally. This symbol is often used to represent more options available to you. Clicking on the three dots will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. Here, you will find the block option among other choices. Choose block, and it will prompt a confirmation dialog asking if you are certain about blocking this user. Confirm that you wish to proceed by clicking block once more. This action effectively blocks the buyer, preventing any further interaction across your Facebook Marketplace transactions. They will not be able to view your listings or contact you through Marketplace from this point forward. Blocking a problem buyer is a simple yet powerful tool to ensure your online selling experience remains as stress-free and fruitful as possible. It's important to understand how to use these features so that you can take control of your interactions and maintain a positive selling environment. I hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for watching.